be right back to your awesomeness of awesome after these messages. Have you ever had troubles with your cell phone? Banging against the wall, wishing it would work? Well, buy this cell phone. The Timby. Watch this girl, as she doesn't have any troubles at all.
Hey, Justin Timberlake. You want to come to your concert? Yeah. What? What? Are you kidding me? You should buy his phone. If you keep dropping calls, whatever. Okay, see you later, babe. Bye.
Buy Justin Timberlake to what?
Yeah, please do.
Buy Justin Timberlake. No, let go!
Give him to me!
No! These pillows is about that freaking phone.
These pillows?
Your pillows? These papers. You were saying this commercial's about a freaking phone.
Let me see it.
Guess what, everybody? I'm a pillow. Oh my god. Okay. Bye.
Justin Timberlake.
Bye. Whatever this is. A cell phone.
Timberlake.
I think it's
Timberlake.
The Timberlake. Whatever. Buy it. If you don't buy it, I'll kill you.